We're preparing an unusual tomato scramble. To make it really tasty, we need 2 large ripe sweet tomatoes. We cut off the skin at the bottom and rub it on a coarse grater. We need to get a tomato puree. If you don't want to do this manually, you can use a blender. It will take a little patience to complete this task, but you'll be able to do it. We remove the excess peel and then send the grater to the sink and move on to our next step. We clean 2 cloves of garlic and cut them into small pieces. Not everyone likes garlic. Some people just can't digest it. In this case, give up on this ingredient. Cut the second clove and then prepare the pan. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it and spread the garlic. It should be lightly fried. 1 minute is enough for this. Don't forget to stir. When the garlic gets a golden hue, pour the tomato into the pan. Boil until the excess water evaporates. The paste will become thicker and richer. You will see this effect in about 10 minutes. The most important part of the scramble is the eggs. We need 6 eggs. We break them into a large container. Surprisingly, many people do not know how to do this. I'll tell you a secret. To easily break the shell, the place of impact should fall exactly in the middle. There are still a couple of eggs left. Now you can beat them with a whisk. First, break the yolks, then properly stir the whole mass. The excess liquid from the tomatoes has finally evaporated. Add a teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Be sure to mix. Look at what a smooth tomato paste we got. It's time to pair it with the eggs. Pour them into the pan and mix everything again. Gradually, the egg whites will begin to curl, forming a typical scramble consistency, vaguely resembling a minced meat. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Transfer to a plate and sprinkle with feta cheese at your own discretion. The scramble is completely ready. Let's try it out. Look how gentle it is. And at the same time, its taste is rich and vibrant. This is much more interesting than your usual scrambled eggs. Try it and you'll be happy.